government did not pay. So
where does the money come from? To finish up your learning and your education, and that's where maybe you can also bring you in. Yeah. You think the burden that your parents are facing to educate you, and also for the others that are coming in, where is this money going to come from?
Jael, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And I would like to share in the sentiments of Albert Ramogi, who has said that probably most of the comrades in the country, they are suffering, and that is the truth, because some of them, they are even sleeping hungry. If you ask around, ask these leaders that I came with, they will tell you that even some of their comrades, they're asking for 100 bob for supper. So when we introduce other things, and you see what will happen with this model, Jael, is that the government, what it has done, it has transferred the burden now to the student. Remember that we have always been having problems with the capitation. The government has only been able to meet 55%. And now they are telling us that for you to be, they are not going to be funding the universities, so that burden can now be transferred to the student. If the government fails to remit that money to the student,
as
then
you say, there's been some failure.
Exactly. That means that burden is going directly to be billed in the account of the student. And Jael, trust me, it is so disheartening to hear that a 23-year-old student, a 23-year-old youth has a loan of up to 2 million. You can imagine, and you are just going out to start your business, and probably you are starting on to tarmac because you are just finished. Then, secondly, Jael, I feel that this new funding model has also opened a leeway to ensure that the institutions have now come in to institute a fee increment. I have talked to a number of my members before I came here. Most of them, probably, let me just quote, Catholic University, they were being charged 39,000. Right now, they have been given a new fee structure. It's up to 100,000. So you can actually see what they have done. They have given a leeway to the institutions to surcharge the students. Thirdly, I feel that the government should have an annex law or an annex clause whereby we will delay some of the implementation of some of these recommendations, because we can't be having, you have heard from all the stakeholders, there's nobody who is happy. So who are these recommendations made for? That is our question.
And that is the big question that we are winding up with the comrades over here.